Morning. Got the hammer in the shop. We're gonna swap out these mufflers, these Flowmaster Series 10 style mufflers for some Black Widows, Angry Housewife mufflers. So hoping to get a little more raspy sound out of it, as opposed to the tin box Flowmasters. I still like the Flowmasters, but I just wanted something a little bit different. Looks like these are dimensionally really close to about the same size. Now, in case these mufflers are too raspy, I did have these old kind of like a perforated pipe tips. So I don't know if that would help tone it down. It'd probably finish it off nice since I don't have tailpipes on it. So I don't know. I'll probably install them first and see how they sound. But if I have to, or if I want to, I might just go ahead and throw those tips on there and see how that goes. So, but I'll let you see my cobbled up exhaust on this car. I don't think I ever showed it on video. It's nothing to write home about, but it does work. Here you can kind of see the underside of this car. I just kind of threw that up for mock-up. But car's still pretty clean underneath. I don't really get leaks and stuff. It's got a couple little weeps here and there, which I kind of expect with a 113, but in this old used transmission too. I do have the O2 sensor in it for now, just for some tuning. There's my drop tie rod ends to get this steering rack to work on this car. Doesn't work great, but it works. AC compressor delete. I did make provisions to put one on it. I have no interest in doing that at this point. So, but it does fit. I did the initial mock-up with an AC compressor on it, but kind of boring up here. But this is how a 113 will fit into this 124 without cutting too much stuff up. And again, this is just bolted in, so that could be removed. I don't know why you'd ever want to, but it could be removed. So let's go ahead and get these mufflers on it, see how she sounds. Mufflers are on it, so let's go ahead and hear how these sound before I try those tips. For anybody catching this video just to hear the difference between the two mufflers, or have interest in the Black Widow mufflers, just so you know what you're hearing, this is it's a 5-liter Mercedes with some big cams in it and converted over to carburetor, double pumper carb, 650 carb. Cam is a 490 lift, 244 duration on a 108 LSA. So let's go ahead and hear how she sounds. Black Widow, Angry Housewife, take one. Sound quite a bit deeper. Very similar, but deeper. So I'm gonna try to put those, I don't know, I don't think it's too loud, so I'm gonna put those tips on it just to see if it changes the sound at all. Tips installed. I think if I was gonna run these tips permanently, because I don't trust the hokiness of how they're installed, I'd probably run a bead here. Just put a spot weld on there just to help hold them on, but I don't know. Let's see how she sounds. sound terrible. I don't know if that's picking up good on the phone, but man, those just sound absolutely horrible. Well, now we know. I'm gonna go ahead and take these things off, go back to just a regular muffler. I kind of like the look of the tips though, but they just sound absolutely terrible. I'll drive around for a little bit, see if I like them. Hard for me to tell, big difference. See ya.